Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Nutrition Kitchen. Today we're going to go over a recipe for black bean brownies. Yep, you heard that right. Trust me, if you use the right ingredients, you can turn black beans into a delicious brownie. Come check out in this video how to do so. So for this recipe, you are going to need 16 ounces of cooked black beans, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cacao powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, optional chocolate chips, coffee, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and salt. We're going to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we are going to transfer the cooked black beans to a bowl, and we are going to mash them. You can use a fork, as I am using here, or a potato masher, or you can blend them using a blender. I'm using a fork so you can see that you can really do this with minimal utensils. So once that is mashed, you are going to get a separate container and you are going to whisk the eggs. I am using instant coffee, which is why I am just making it quickly here, but you can use leftover coffee. It doesn't matter if it's caffeinated or decaf. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of that to your eggs, and then you are going to also add the vanilla extract, and you are going to mix that well. And then you're going to add your mashed black beans, and you are going to also mix it, and you want to keep doing it until you get to the texture that you can see here in the video, just like this. Then in a separate bowl, you're going to mix your dry ingredients. So you're going to add the cacao powder, the brown sugar, the baking soda, and the salt. And then we are going to mix that until there is no pieces that are visible, and then you're going to add this to a bigger bowl, and you are going to make a hole in the center, as you can see that I am doing here. And then you're going to slowly transfer half of your bean mixture, and you're going to combine that very well. And then once that's combined, you're going to add the rest, and then you're going to continue mixing, and you want to keep mixing it until you get to the texture that you can see here in the video. Then you're going to transfer this to an oven-friendly container with parchment paper or an oiled one. And then you're going to add the chocolate chips if you so desire. You can add anything else if you want as well. And then you're going to transfer this into the preheated oven. It'll stay in there for around 20 to 25 minutes. And then once that is done, you have yourself a delicious black bean brownie. And then you can just leave it in the container, or you can transfer it as I did here, and enjoy.